Welcome. In this video I will show you how to change date and time on your Philips PFS6939 TV. From the home screen of your TV, navigate to the gear icon in the top right corner of your TV screen to open settings. Here in settings we're gonna have to scroll down to region and language menu and open it. Then go to clock and open the clock menu, and in auto clock mode change automatic to manual and then press back. And now we can set the date and time manually by going right here and then using this scroll selection to change the day, the month and the year on our TV, and then press done when you're done. And then in the very same way we can change the time on our TV and then press done. However, once you've changed once you change the date and time on your TV, the changes will apply instantly. So as you can see, if you take a look in the top right corner of the TV screen, the time is already reset. However, this kind of change may affect your internet connection, especially Google services, which require your date and time values to be correct and will not work with incorrect date and time values. For example, we can check the YouTube right now and whether or not it will work with incorrect date and time values. So let's open YouTube application. Give it a moment. Okay, so actually the YouTube refused to even start, after which my TV has refreshed the page and automatically changed the time to correct values. So yeah, as you can see, this TV resolves this issue this way. So I only recommend changing date and time settings in case your automatic date and time are set incorrectly. In other cases, just go with automatic clock mode. So that's it for this video. I hope that it helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.